Hello guys, I hope that you will be fine. So today we are going to analyze the gold chart. So this is the gold chart I have opened on the TradingView platform. So in this video I will tell you about that how to analyze the gold chart and how to predict the move of the gold chart. So first step that I will tell you about that first you have to see the bigger time frame, which is the daily candle. So first we will see the chart in our daily time frame, and what I will do here, so I will draw the first, you have to draw the trend line. Okay, so where was the gold trend line, or where was the gold moving before? So as we can clearly see here that the gold was moving in the up direction previously, but here at this position gold has break this trend line. So now we can expect that the gold has shifted towards the sell trend and has broken his trend line. So what should be the next step that we have to do? So let me remove this line. So this okay, so now the next step is we will define the order blocks. We will find that where could be our possible buying can be. So as you can see, this area where is the red candle here, and this area has not been mitigated yet. So this is our order block, and here could be the possible buying here. So first I draw the identify this, mark this area here, and then again mark this area as here. And so this is our zone. You can say that in between the this zone is starts from the 1897 and ends at the 1916 level. So this in this zone, there could be the, as you can see from this zone, the buyers bought a lot gold from this position, from this here in this area, and this is our order block that has not been mitigated yet. And now after too much buying from this position to this position, the gold has again come backward to this position. So here we can predict that there could be the possible buying from here. So but as for the, because I usually take trades in the lower time frame, so this why I opened this chart, just to, because the bigger time frame tells us the clear picture about the chart, that what is going to happen in the future. So now I will open the my lower time frames and we'll see that what is going to happen. Okay, so this is our lower time frames, and if I just open here time frames, okay, so this one, as we can clearly see here, okay, so you can see clearly from here, this is our zone. I opened the 30-minute chart. So the gold has opened with a massive gap, so gold is now trying to fulfill its gap so that it can possibly move in the upward direction or the lower direction. So as you can clearly see in the 30 minutes time frame, gold has just broken this resistance. Previously it was rejecting this resistance, and it was possibly trying its move to, as soon as the gold was in this zone, we should wait for the zone, but the gold has broken this zone and also retest this zone, and it has moved a lot, and then it is going to retest this again. So what I can predict from here, that if the gold keeps the position here or maintains its position here at this position, so I can predict that then it can possibly move up. But if gold tries to break this area and then retest it, then we can possibly predict it can possibly go further down. So in the lower time frames, we can tell that, as this is our also the demand zone. Let me write here the demand zone for you, so that you can also write it here. So this could be our, I should write it here, demand zone. So this is our demand zone from here. So now I can possibly predict here that this is the, so if gold keeps at this position and holds this position, you can possibly, if the gold shows us some bullish momentum candles from here, so I can predict that gold could be in the up direction. Also, if I just a little bit do like this and just make another trend line, so we can see what could be the possible position. Okay, so as you can see, previously gold is just rejected this trend line, this sell direction rejected this trend line, and if I just make another levels here, and this could be our resistance level, just mark this level here, another mark this level like this, so we can see clearly that from this was the resistance level and this was also the trend line. So this was a clear picture that we can possibly make a trade from sell trade from here, as this was a rejection from the trend line, as was the rejection from this resistance from here. So we could open the sell position from here in the past and 1932, and we could have a lot of profit 1918 at this position. So it was approximately, you can say that approximately 100 pips, more than 100 pips profit is here. So now we can, if gold make a position like this one and holds this position, if I just mark the position like if it goes like make this like position and then it just retest this trend line, we could possibly gold move in this direction. So, or other possibility could be that if golds just break this resistance or support, sorry, so and retest it, and then it could possibly move in this direction. So, and also if gold holds a position here and shows us some like it moves from like here like this and then shows some bullish momentum candle like this, and then we can possibly predict that it could also move from there like this. So this could be our possibility, possible scenarios from here. So what is the first, so the what is the lecture of today? That first thing, you have to open the daily time frames, and if I reset the chart, and you should predict that our trend, and what was the trend before here. Okay, so the trend was before the in the daily time frame was the buy trend, and it has broken the buy trend. And then the next step is you have to identify the order blocks. Okay, so it has moved into the sell position, but what could be the possible buying that from where the buyers can enter in the market? So this was our order block. So from here in this position the buyers can enter into a market. And the second thing is, the third thing is that you have to open the lower time frame like the 30 minutes or 1 hour. So, and you have to predict the position. Okay, so this you have to mark the levels like resistance. So this is our previously resistance, and this was our zone, and the price has clearly broken our zone, and the buyers has entered here, and now it has just make a good move from here at this position in the buy direction, and then it is rejected from the this trend line. Okay, so now is if the gold holds this position, I could personally will take a buy from here, because as the price is clearly in the previously has rejected my zone, and this was clearly the buy area, the buyers has entered, and it has now, if the price holds this position, so I will personally take the buy trade. So also in this video I'm going to show the indicator that which I use personally, which benefits me a lot. So if you see just this indicator, let me remove these things, and okay, so as you can clearly see from here what this indicator is doing in the 30-minute time frame. This indicator, guys, just helps me a lot. So it gives me a perfect, you can say that perfect trading strategy, and perfect buy and sell position this indicators gives me. So as you can clearly see that this indicator gave me the sell position here, and from here you can see that it has dropped a lot, and this upper red line becomes the resistance here. And as you can see here, this signal gave the buy position and it has profited a lot. So this indicator gives the 99% signals with the accuracy. So you can see here sell signal is here, profited a lot from this, and you can see here in the previous history buy signal here, profited a lot. You can see here sell signal here, profited a lot. Buy signal here, profited a lot. Sell signal here, profit a lot. So this signal is basically giving signals with 99% accuracy. So if you do want to know about this signal and want to know about the settings of this signal, let me just comment in the video below. So I will tell you about the settings of the signal, and I also will tell you that how you can take this signal with the more accuracy and along with the trend line, because by using this signal we use the other two things also, like the RSI and this like the trend. So and when we combine this signal with the trend line and the RSI, so this becomes with the 100% accuracy. So this is it from my side, guys. So if you like this analysis and if you like this video, just comment below, like our video, and just subscribe our channel, because soon I'm going to start the full Forex course, which is worth more than $5,000. So I will tell you all about the basic things in Forex. And if you don't know about the order block, what is the order block, also comment below. I will make the video on that too. So how to identify the order blocks, so I will also make a video on that. So make sure you press the bell icon so that you don't miss the upcoming course. You will get the notification about this course when we will upload our course. So thank you, guys. This is it from my side.